So here we're shown this large circle with center O, and it has a diameter that is 40 millimeter long. So O is center, so that's 20, and this is 20. And point C lies on the large circle such that the measure angle ABC is 60 degrees. And the diameter of the small circle is AO. So one thing I see immediately, and this is true for a lot of these geometry problems, is to try to create new lines that are same as radius. So if you connect O to C, and also the other key thing to recognize here is that OB and OC are radius. They're both 20. And this angle is 60, therefore this has to be 60 as well because it's an isosceles triangle. These two are equal. And that means this angle is 60 as well, because of the other two add up to 120, which means CB is not 60, it's 20 millimeter. I'll start with the questions now. So number 53, what is the area in square millimeters of the small circle? So actually that one I didn't need to do any of this, but I'm sure it will come again in the later questions. So the diameter is OA is 10, which means the radius is 10, and they're asking for area of the small circle. So pi r squared, radius is 10, so that's 100 pi, and that is answer choice D. Number 54 is, what is the length in millimeters of arc AB? Arc AB, so this here, and that's half the circumference. The circumference here is 2 pi r, radius is 20, so that's 40 pi, and arc AB is half of that, so that's 20 pi, answer choice G. And then finally number 55, the figure is placed in the standard xy coordinate plane so that A has coordinates of minus 20, 0, and B has coordinates of 20, 0. What is the x coordinate of C? So this we connect those two. X coordinate of C. So let's actually, let me do it on a new picture. We have a lot of data here. 20, 0. So we know that that's 40. We already know that. I'm going to connect these two. We'll see if that helps. We need to find the x coordinate of that. This is 60. And we connected this. That's 60. Well, this was the equilateral triangle we found. So now I see how to do it. So if I drop this here, that's 90 degrees. To find the x coordinate of C, I just have to find this distance and then subtract it from 20. So here we had found that all these sides are the radius. So this is 20, this is 20, and this is the 30, 60, 90 triangle. And the ratio here is, if the shortest side is x, the hypotenuse is 2x. In this case, so that would be half of 20, so that would be 10, and which means that the x coordinate of that point would be 10. The coordinates would be 10, 0. So the answer is 10, which is choice D.